With just a bit of zooming and painting, you can smoothly blend areas while keeping the natural skin texture and getting rid of blemishes like pimples or rashes. Ready to learn how to master this? Let's get started. First, select the background layer and create a duplicate by pressing Ctrl or Command plus J. Select the layer and rename it to Smooth. Before applying any filters, don't forget to go to Filter, Convert for Smart Filters. This allows you to adjust the values later if needed. Once done, hit OK. Now, head over to Filter Noise, Median. The great thing about using the median filter for blurring is that it keeps the edges intact while smoothing out the details. Adjust the slider to increase the effect. Just enough to smooth the details while maintaining the edges. Not too little, not too much. Once you're happy with it, hit OK. To create skin texture, we'll start by adding noise. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N or Command plus Shift plus N on Mac to bring up the new layer dialog box. Change the mode from normal to overlay and check the box for fill with 50% gray. Then, click OK. Before applying any filters, go to Filter, Convert for Smart Filters. This allows you to adjust the values later if needed. Next, navigate to Filter, Filter Gallery, Texture, and select Texturizer. Choose Sandstone as the texture and adjust the values until it looks just right. Select the top layer. Hold down the Shift key and click the bottommost layer to select them all. Then press Ctrl plus G or Command plus G on Mac to group them. Finally, rename the group to Retouch Skin for better organization. To recover highlights and shadows, go to the blending options and adjust the sliders for the underlying layer. Hold down the Alt key or Option key on Mac and click on the slider to split it, allowing for a smoother transition. Adjust it until it looks just right, then click OK. Now hold down the Alt key or Option key on Mac and click on the Mask button to create a negative mask. Then, select the brush tool, press D to reset to the default black and white foreground and background color, and paint over the areas where you want the effect to appear. Remember, you can always adjust the opacity of the texture to suit your needs. Play around with it until it looks just right. You can quickly adjust the opacity with a simple shortcut. Just press 8 for 80%, 7 for 70% and so on. And that's it. You're done. Check out the before and after. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to drop a like and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll always be in the loop for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay with us and never stop creating.